Hi, it's BlondeKyiv, and today I'll show you how to spend your day in Kyiv on a budget.
And you will see where to dress.
It's less than $1 each.
And drink cheap.
As well, yes.
Look at this view.
So today I came to the flea market not far from the city center. It is located near Pochayna metro station. Here locals sell the antique, vintage and old used things and so on, all down the street.
So, let's see what's happening here.
Wow! Wow!
Beautiful!
Нет.
А можно посмотреть?
Да, бери.
Class. So now I have a friend. Oops. Little bit angry. I think I should find him a friend. А почем такая мышка у вас? Она заводится? А можете, пожалуйста, показать?
I hope they can be friends. Now I'll check how this mouse works.
Whoops. I stop. I think I should get it. Спасибо большое. So I paid just 25 hryvnia for this mouse. It's less than $1.
Here you should be very careful.
It's a toy. Это игрушечный пистолет у вас?
Да, он не рабочий. Как бы это пружина сломанная.
Понятно.
But in this situation the gun would not hurt. And I found the car of my dreams. Cabriolet.
And by the way, I can't do here much photo or video because here no one in front of the camera.
Mickey Mouse pajamas. I have so many Mickey Mouse things at home, so I don't need more of it now. I continue my shopping. Fashion is my profession. I wanna find some clothes for myself.
And can you imagine, I was shopping here and I meet one guy. You probably hear that I speak in English and this
Yeah,
so,
I heard you were speaking English.
Yeah,
I was
so
curious what you were doing.
hello?
I'm from Amsterdam and I came to visit Kiev this summer.
Mm-hmm.
And I didn't have much to do today, so I was like, wanted to check out some like local market. What I found here is like it's sold to me as a Soviet gas mask, and I was thinking that would be fun to wear such a thing, maybe for Halloween or...
Or maybe for every day.
Yeah, well, who knows? I mean, that it was like made in 1990 and like never used. So.
Yeah, never use, of course.
Yeah.
So now I have my partner in crime. А скажите, это денежное дерево?
Да.
So you can get this free, and after this Chanel comes.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad, right?
Really looks good. Yeah. It will be fits perfect with your mask.
Yeah.
Nothing unusual for market in Kyiv. and now it's my time to dress up. I feel like a supermodel on a fashion show. Finally, I can use my modeling school skills.
So I really like it. You like it?
I like it, yeah, it's great. I mean, who needs to go to Zara or other retailers if you can buy things like this here?
Yeah, and really, this is print. It's very fancy now.
Yeah, and a great match with your hair.
Yeah, and it's only €3. And you will not cold.
Definitely.
There is a place where you can have a break and drink a cup of coffee.
So I think it's enough shopping for today. I'm even a little bit tired. I'm a little bit hungry, so let's grab a bite.
The end of the first part will be continued.